1971, India's Finest Hour, is actually a story of Bangladesh right from the partition time till their liberation in 1971. It is actually not a story of Bangladesh liberation, but the India's role in helping Bangladesh get their independence second time from the Pakistani yoke. So what you are going to see in the film is actually you are seeing the history in making, because most of the part of the film is actually was shot when the actual things was happening, whether it was the Nehru's historic speech or whether it was in Mrs. Gandhi's final speech after the declaration of independence of Bangladesh in the Indian Parliament. They are all historical footage which you are going to watch. Bangladesh was liberated by Indian Army in just 13 days, which was a historic achievement, because nowhere in the world a country has helped another country to get liberation, and that too in such a short time of 13 days when they were pitched against the two superpower America and China. This is one incident which should be shown to the youth of today's, so that they can feel proud about their country and the Indian Armed Forces. Today this strategy is taught as a textbook case in all the military academies of 150 countries, including Pakistan. So we decided to make a film on this, showcasing the amazing coordination between different departments of Indian government and the three wings of the army, and amazing feat which they could pull out within 13 days' time. I strongly recommend that every Indian must watch this film.
Yeah, my heart is still pumping right now. I'm full of pride and honor for my country.
This is one of the very rarest moments which we see, and every Indians are excited after seeing this kind of documentary film.
It's a very authentic presentation. I will not say representation. It's a very authentic presentation of what actually transpired and the very critical moments that took place in this entire episode of the Bangladesh war.
It's well documented, and the archival materials which were used, those are also historical documents. And being the historian come archaeologist, I think this film should be circulated widely throughout India, even throughout the world.
The documentary was very well made and I really enjoyed watching it. Not for one moment was my concentration lost, and the amount of information that I gathered in 1 hour, maybe going through books for around a year or so, would not let me gather all the information.
There was this moment where the new leader of Bangladesh, he says that, you know, Miss Indira Gandhi, are not only the leader of India, but you're also the leader of Bangladesh. So that moment really gave me a lot of goosebumps, and I think this movie is something which all of us in India should watch.
We study all these in our books and we get these facts and figures, but we never actually know how it was out there. And films like these, you know, put life into the events and they make us feel it. And after watching this film, I found a new respect for my country and for the Indian Army, and I feel really lucky to have watched this.